So here in Illinois, we recycle, but some of this I don't get. So I can understand the foam. Yeah, that stuff's a pain in the ass. But plastic or foil bags, well, doesn't that fall under plastic and metal? Even hangers or wire Christmas lights, well, doesn't that fall under glass, metal, and plastic? Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing good. I am doing just great. I got the furnace on, I got the fan in the window, so that must mean one thing. It's cold outside. Well, that's one thing. It is cold at 5 o'clock in the morning. We ended up having some snow in Illinois yesterday morning and a little bit throughout the day. But that's not what's going on. I must be doing some clear coating here. And yes, I am. So let me walk a couple of feet towards the guitar, and you can see a nice reflection, real nice reflection. A little bit of orange peel, but you know, the temperature wise, I kind of started a little bit before the garage heated up. So I'm standing, you know, quite a few feet, maybe 10 feet away from this thing. So let me change the camera setting. Yeah, so it still has a nice reflection to it. Put it back where I had it. All right, first off, I want to do a shout out to a guy who has been doing some YouTube videos. I don't know how long he's been on YouTube, but he can use a little bit of love. He does a damn good Eddie Van Halen Strat style replicas, and even like the striping and everything. Just unbelievable. He does a real nice job, and they look fantastic. And he's working on some other guitars, and he just kind of shows his work and stuff, what he's doing. And that person is BCG 5150 Guitars. So go over by his channel. I'll put a description in the link below, and you know, check him out. So one of the things that I kind of figured that was going to happen with this guitar is that after, if you saw my short, I put the webbing on the front of it. Sorry, I'm looking at the back of it. Put the webbing on the front of it, and you know how when you clear coat something, it kind of makes things a little bit different. Well, I expected this to pop, but I didn't expect it to pop. Yeah, that black really made this thing pop. So if I hit with the light and I bring you up close to it, and you can see that pearl, or not pearl, but that diamond flake or whatever they call it. So yeah, this thing is going to look fucking awesome. And I have to order some more paint so I can do the headstock on it next to match the body, and then I can clear coat the neck and everything else. The back of the neck is going to be natural, but the headstock is going to match the body without the webbing on it though. But yeah, that thing really fucking popped, and it really like sticks out. I mean, really sticks out. So I've got a green pickup. It's a Dragonfire Crusader, I think it's called, that I'm thinking about putting inside of this thing. I'm not too sure yet because the color of this changed a little bit after I put the clear coat on, so I'm not too sure if I'm going to end up using that pickup. It may not match the green that's already on here, so I may go with a black pickup. But yeah, I tried to match the webbing as much as I could from what I could see in the 3 crappy photos that I had of this guitar, and I got it close. Not dead nuts on it, but got it close. And they're pretty grainy as far as the pictures go. Trying to zoom in on it makes it just much worse. So yeah, the guy who is getting this guitar, he knows what I'm talking about. And if you saw my neck video for this thing, you would have seen his channel name on the bottom of the neck. I put it in as an inlay. So yeah, this thing is coming along really nice. So far, not really any issues or anything going on with it. I just have to Wait for paint to dry. And I hate waiting for paint to dry. So as you can see, I kind of wrapped around the sides a little bit because that's kind of what it looked like in the photos. So it goes around the bend, but doesn't go down the sides. But yeah, that's coming out really nice, and I'm really excited. I'm can't wait to get this thing assembled and get it as a one-piece musical instrument. It'll be really fantastic. And then shipping it out to where it's got to go. Yeah, this will be great. All right, guys, you take it easy. I'll probably be back later. I don't know. But for right now, this is so long.